Want to change your Gmail profile picture on Android? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to update your Gmail account photo step by step. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Now tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner. After that, tap on the camera icon on your current profile photo. You'll now see options to choose a new image for your Gmail profile picture. Select a Upload from Device and then adjust or crop the image if needed. Once done, tap on Next. Now simply tap on Save as Profile Photo and wait a few seconds for the changes to apply. That's it. Your Gmail profile picture has been updated successfully. This method also works for changing your Google account photo and updating your Gmail profile image on Android. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android tutorials and Gmail tips.